all love moist, delicious, decadent cake. But let's face it, sometimes it can be disappointing and dry. Most of the time, what causes the cake to be dry is what happens after you bake it. The question to ask yourself is, do you commit any of these sins? Leaving the cakes sitting in the cake pan too long after you take them out of the oven. The pans are hot and they are baking your already baked cake. So what you need to do is take them out, wait a minute or two for the cake sides to release from the pan, and then flip those babies out. Leaving the cakes on the cooling rack past 15 minutes or so. That will really dry out your cake. What you should do is hold your hand above the cake to check the amount of heat that's coming off the cake. After 15 minutes or so, it should just be slightly warm. Then you need to wrap them up completely in saran wrap. Do not wrap a really warm cake, however, as the water will condensate on the inside of the saran wrap and make your cake a soppy mess.
Ask me how I know.
After you have them wrapped up, put them in the refrigerator and let them cool, ideally overnight, but at least the rest of the way. A cold cake is much easier to work with. Not taking advantage of using simple syrup. It's a great way to add moisture back in your cake. Not crumb coating the cake. Besides getting rid of crumbs, crumb coating seals in the moisture and acts as a cover to keep your cake from drying out. Well, I hope this helps you the next time you bake. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.